is my Notion board. I decided to name it the Cultivation Studio. I named it that because I have a new series here on YouTube called From Coasting to Cultivating, where we're gonna change our lives in 2025 and actually do the things we have set for ourselves. So if we look at this blue area here, I really wanted to put like a cute little motivator for myself. So I put, do what your future self would be proud of. And then I created these in the green borders here. These are going to be like my overarching kind of titles for folders. Here I named this the big picture. I think this is so unique and cute because the big picture is going to refer to my folders that are more of like an umbrella over 2025. 2025 yearly plans and goals, golden moments, sunrise to sunset, workout log, and the payoff plan. I will dive into those folders because I just have to show someone, but I wanted them to all live under the big picture. To the right of it, we have the favorites hub. So I really wanted that to be kind of like all of the little things that I want to track over 2025, which I have never tracked before. Like, I'm not an avid tracker other than like the books that I'm reading every month, but I wanted to create the library, which are going to be all of the books that I'm reading or want to read in 2025. Below it, we have the cozy kitchen, which will be like, I'll show you, it's like this meal plan, prep, grocery situation. Below that, we have popcorn picks. This is like my really fun way of keeping track of all of the movies that I watch in 2025, just movies and rating them that we've seen together. Below that is season tracker. So these are actually TV shows that I'm tracking that we're going to be watching together or that I'm watching. And right below it is shopping list. So that is just going to be like my little wish list. So I just named it shopping list. So in the creative corner, I really wanted to organize a lot of the creative projects that I will be doing over the course of the year. Right now, I'm mainly focusing on YouTube, and I know on my little personal goals for 2025, I wanted to learn how to knit and things like that. So when I start that up, that's where it'll live, in the creative corner. So right here is kind of just a fun little note. To the right of it, I have a little constant calendar just for me to see visually where we're at. To the far right side, we have daily hustle. So I thought this is so cute. When you click on this button here, it adds a flower button, and you can add hi YouTube, and you can just add little things here. So every time you click on that button, it'll add a tab for you. Isn't that so cute? Oh my God, I could die inside. It's just adorable. If we go over here, this is the lounge. It's so cute. I picked a playlist from my Spotify playlist that I created. This is called the Study Lounge, and I love listening to piano music. You can find this on Spotify. I decided to add that to this dashboard because if I ever want to listen to music while I'm updating all of this, I can just click play and it'll play for me. Sorry, we're just bopping around. I created this monthly map. It's broken up into weeks. What every week in January is going to look like for me. This is my weekly framework. So at the start of every week, I can just kind of go into here and like delete what I need to delete. So for Saturday, like I can just add, get my tires pumped. This is a studio. This is it. This is where I'm gonna keep track of everything. Okay, I'm ready to dive into literally every folder on the far left-hand side. I have been laboring over this for the last week, and I'm so excited to show someone. So let's dive into it. So the first tab that I have is called 2025 Yearly Plans and Goals. How cute is that coffee gif? I can't. The quarters of the years are going to be organized here, and then I can see all of the goals that fall within there. Everything from my last video, which was a video where I was going through my finance goals, my personal goals, and my career goals. I made a whole list of those. Those all live in here now. And so I took all of that and I put it into this actionable kind of template. It's really easy to fill this out. For example, like I have prepared my 2024 taxes and submitted them early. I haven't started on this yet, but I know that this is going to be due within January to March. Like that's the deadline that I gave myself. Okay, so if we move over to golden moments, so I really wanted a way to kind of keep track of really important monthly events that are taking place. So my best friend is getting engaged. It's my baby's birthday in February. I think I'm going to go to a baby shower as well. I think this will be so cute at the end of the year. I can just look and see all the things that I had going on. I wanted to have something that was like my ideal day, and I wanted a way to kind of label that my ideal day. So I thought sunrise to sunset was a wonderful, oh my God, wouldn't those be cute baby names? Sunset is already on my baby name list, so. Okay, so I tried to figure this one out for myself. Like I picked these images that really spoke to me. Wait, this one doesn't really speak to me and I need to change that. But I have my morning routine, which it's wake up at 6:30, drink a cup of water at 6:40, apply sunscreen and do my skincare at 6:45, 6:55, prep my workspace, and then at 7 a.m. Yes, I work at 7 a.m. because the company that I work for, they're based out in the UK. So I try to, I think I kind of forgot to fill the rest out. Eat with Thomas. I don't know who Thomas is, but I took this page from a creator on YouTube and her man is probably named Thomas. I don't know that guy. This one I just need to spend a little bit more time fleshing out, but I think it's just so fun. So if you want to have like an ideal day or something that you want to envision, try something like this out. Next up we have workout log. I need to capitalize this because it's gonna drive me nuts. So I have a little quote, do it for your future self. My yearly workout goals are go to the gym 2 to 3 times a week and stretch 1 time a week, complete 1 sweat app workout. So these were all of the goals that I had written down in my personal 2025 goals in my last video. And I love that I'm able to add like a little playlist, and I found this Barry's Bangers one. Incredible. I refuse to listen to this playlist unless I'm working out. I haven't gotten a chance to listen to it yet, so I need to go work out so I can listen to these bangers. Motivation works in mysterious ways. Next up, we have the payoff plan. Something that was so important for me in 2025 was getting a hold of my finances. And I put this little quote here that says, "It always seems impossible until it's done." This is not mine, but it is an example because I didn't want to be too transparent with the debt that I have. But this is kind of like the format. So you can put like your student loan, your starting amount, the installments that you're going to be making, the payment frequency, and then it'll tell you like how much you paid off, and then it'll show you your progress, which is so nice. So it seems very achievable. Sometimes like when we're paying off debt, it's really easy to lose sight of the plot. So, and then you can put your goal payoff date, and I just think this is so cute. Next up, we have the YouTube content blueprint. YouTube is so important to me, particularly this year. I have some very big goals for myself. When I was creating my career vision board for 2025, these were some of the most important goals that I had for myself. And so I decided to take the photos from my last video and put them here as a constant reminder. Over here, I have added like just a cute little way for me to keep track of my subscribers. So I should be posting 3 or more videos every single month. That's the goal. Below it, we have content blueprint. So this is how I am going to keep track of the videos that I'm going to be making. So this is a peek into this video. And so the concept is my cultivating series. And then anything else that I want to organize the concepts by, I can just like add it there. And then I can add the context. This is just like a really fun way for me to really stay organized with my YouTube, and I couldn't be happier. And this one is called The Library. How cute. It's giving Taylor Swift, Folklore, and Evermore era. Service desk. This is where everything is organized. My library, the books that I want to read, they can all live here. And then these are quick actions. So you can add a title to the library. So if you click that, it'll just add a new title and it'll populate right here. My current read is The Long Island Compromise. So this is this big boy right here. I'm 67% complete with the book because it does the math for me. I added in the title. You add in the author. Whenever you are done reading it, you can rate it. Then you can add in your status. So right now I'm reading it. second. You put the current page that you're on, and then reading goals. So I actually, in my personal goals for 2025, my goal was to read 1 book a month and then read a book recommended by a friend or read a financial real estate book. Oh, I want to add that. I almost forgot. So this is just such a great kind of place to keep track of everything, and I love it. I just want to keep on reading so that I can keep adding to this list. The next category is the cozy kitchen. How cute is this? This is gonna be the way that I'm going to easily organize everything that we're gonna be eating throughout the week. This will be my grocery list. Something I should mention is Fridays are always, in our family, Freestyle Fridays. And today is a Freestyle Friday. That's the day I'm filming this video. And it's so cute because on Freestyle Fridays, we can order whatever we want. The rest of the days of the week, we like to stick to a set food schedule, but Freestyle Fridays, do you, boo. Next up, we have popcorn picks. Oh my God. Okay, so 2025, the year just started, right? The first movie I saw was Despicable Me. Listen, I have to be honest, and I almost wanted to lie and change the rating so I didn't get haters on this video, because this is the only movie I've seen so far this year. I had to give it 1 star. Listen, it wasn't doing what I wanted it to do for me. I think I wanted to love this movie, but I just couldn't resonate with it, and that's maybe on me. But I can't wait to show you this at the end of the year. Oh my God, how fun. I added this quote here that I think would motivate me, and I put, psychologists say that watching movies can have unexpected benefits, such as helping us grow our strengths and become better people. Listen, anything to help me watch more movies, am I right? The next one is season tracker. So I also really want to keep track of all of the TV shows that I'm consuming this year because it's so fun and I really enjoy TV shows more than anything. Okay, so this is really cute. So I can kind of see like what platform it's on, and then I'll end up giving it a rating system of itself. And then this is my TV series library, so I can kind of keep track of all of the TV shows that I'm watching. And then to watch, I can just add all of that here. And so it's really cute because this button will automatically populate as TV, but I'm gonna delete that, as you know. Anyway, okay, so the very last folder that I have for right now, I mean, I feel like I'll always think of something new and add to it, but we have the shopping list. So this one is going to be where I'm just gonna keep track of all of the things that I want, and I almost feel like this is gonna manipulate me because, in a good way, because maybe if I just have it live somewhere other than my Amazon cart, it'll almost make me feel like I've bought the item without having bought the item. Do you know what I mean? I really want wall sconces. And so I've linked it. I even use my Amazon storefront so I can get a commission. That's actually illegal, I think. So I'm not gonna be doing that. But so it's really cute and I just can organize it like so. So anyway, that is the Notion board. But the fun part is, at the end of the year, I hope you subscribe. I hope you follow along on this Coasting to Cultivating series, because every video I make really is gonna be in line with the series all year long. But the fun part is, now at the end of the year, I actually have something to show you based on like what I've accomplished. Did I actually meet my goals? I'll show you on this board. I'm really excited about that because like when I started this series, I had no idea how am I actually going to show you the things that I've accomplished and done. But now we know. So what did you think? Okay, be honest. No, actually, I'm too sensitive for honesty right now. I'm just kidding. Did you like this? Do you want this? Are you gonna use Notion? And if you already use Notion, what are you thinking about it? Do you like it? Is it helping you? Girl, I'm gonna be on this every day. Cold, because I've rambled so much. I've yapped. I'm probably gonna make this my personality. I wish I was lying. Okay, well, I will see you in my next video and love you guys. Bye.